Hello everyone! Today, I'll explain how to transfer Hawaiian Miles to Alaska Airlines and what you can actually do instead. First, here's the key thing to know. You cannot directly transfer Hawaiian Miles to Alaska Airlines Mileage Plan miles. Your balances stay separate. But there is a workaround. You can link your accounts for a status match if you have elite status with Hawaiian Airlines. Here's how to do it step by step. First, visit Alaska Airlines status match page. Open your browser and go to the Alaska Airlines website. Search for the status match page. Next, log in to MileAge Plan. Sign in to your Alaska MileAge Plan account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly create it for free. Next, log in to Hawaiian Miles. You'll be asked to sign in to your Hawaiian Miles account as well. Next, complete the match. Follow the prompts to link both accounts. If you qualify, you'll get equivalent elite benefits with Alaska Airlines. And that's it. While your miles don't transfer, you'll still enjoy elite perks like priority boarding and upgrades with flying Alaska Airlines. And that's it. That's how to transfer Hawaiian miles to Alaska Airlines. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.